we have completed that polynomials, and I will tell you the gist of it, summary of it. First, polynomials of degree 1, 2, 3 can be, it is called, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Of polynomial, but before I tell you that, what is a polynomial? A polynomial is an expression with a variable. It can be linear, it can be quadratic, it can be cubical. Now, a quadratic polynomial with variables, variable x and with real coefficients coefficients are this is real coefficient is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Can you tell me that why a not equal to 0? When a is equal to 0, then it doesn't remain a quadratic polynomial. It becomes a linear polynomial. This is 0. Then it becomes bx plus c. This is the linear polynomial of degree 1. Okay. The zeros of the polynomial px are the x coordinate of the polynomial of the point, x coordinate of the point where px is equal to 0. We have drawn the graph, that is px is equal to 0, and this is, that means it is a px is equal to 0, it is y is equal to px. I draw a small graph here. This is x-axis, x dash, and this is y dash. And quadratic polynomial is this. Quadratic polynomial will be in the form of this. It is a high parabola. It is a high parabola. It has got two cutting point of x-axis. That is, this is 1 and that is 2. Okay. It has got two, at most 2 points. Okay. For real graph, it has got 2 points. A quadratic polynomial can have 2 zeros. This is called 0 of the polynomial. A quadratic polynomial can have 2 zeros, and a cubical polynomial can have at most 3 zeros. 3 zeros, that means where it is cutting x-axis at x is equal to 0, where it is x is equal to 0. I repeat, polynomial first we have studied. Polynomial is an expression with a variable x and with real number ABC. So a and b, whatever it is, that is the polynomial of degree 1, 2, 3 are called linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, or cubical polynomial respectively. A quadratic polynomial is the variable, quadratic polynomial is a variable x in the variable of x and with the real coefficients ax square bx plus c, where abc are real coefficient, that is abc, a comma b comma c. Okay. The zeros of the polynomial px are the x coordinate of the point, where px is equal to 0. Px is the curve or whatever, it is a graph where y is equal to px. Intersects the x-axis. A quadratic polynomial can have 2 zeros, and a cubic polynomial can have at most 3 zeros. If alpha and beta are the two zeros of the polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0 and abc are real and x is the variable. Variable means it takes different value. It can take different value. The ABC are real, so it will have then alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Earlier we have studied, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. The quadratic polynomial will be of degree 2, and it will have 2 zeros. It will have maximum 2 zeros. Then, if alpha, beta, gamma are the 3 zeros of a cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, a not equal to 0, a comma b comma c comma d are real with variable x, then alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is sum of the roots, will be minus b by a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. That is, two roots are taken at a time, product of the two roots taken at that time, and we will add with it. Then alpha beta gamma, product of the 3 roots, will be minus d by a. We have already studied. This ends the chapter. This ends the chapter of polynomial at this time. We will study polynomial in the later stage in higher studies. Okay. For your syllabus, this is the maximum one.